Thinking about tackling that garage door repair yourself? Hold on for your safety's sake. Garage doors are complex mechanical systems that can pose serious risks when mishandled. Understanding the intricacies of components like torsion springs and cables is essential for safe repairs. Torsion springs carry immense tension. Mishandling them can result in explosive failures and severe injuries. Incorrectly aligned garage doors can cause accidents, potentially damaging your property and harming loved ones. Safety sensors are crucial, but tampering without expertise could make them ineffective or create hazards. Common DIY repairs like broken springs or malfunctioning motors require specialized tools and knowledge you may lack. While some tasks can be performed safely, like lubricating parts, don't attempt major fixes yourself. In Flower Mound, Texas, local emergency rooms report injuries from improper garage door repairs. Don't become a statistic. Leave the garage door repairs to trained professionals who understand the complexities and safety protocols involved.